We know your precious jewelry deserves special care. Here are a few tips to keep them young forever. Soak your jewelry in warm water with a few drops of detergent for a minute or two. And for diamonds or gemstones, let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use a soft brush to gently scrub the jewelry, removing any dirt trapped in them. Lastly, pat with a dry lint-free cloth to see the renewed shine of your gold jewelry and to make that diamond twinkle. As for pearls, since they are porous and can easily lose their shine, it is best to clean them with a soft, untreated, damp cloth. Caution: we advise you to never use household cleaning products such as bleach, chlorine, or other chemicals on your jewelry, studded or not, as it is harmful for your jewelry. For long-lasting radiance, avoid wearing jewelry while showering, exercising, or swimming. When applying lotion, cosmetics, hairspray, or perfume, remember to not have your jewelry on, especially with pearls, as it may affect the color and luster of the studded jewelry. For more such tips, visit Caratlane.com to keep your jewelry flawless and timeless. Caratlane, a Tanishq partnership.